Been away on holiday, nice few weeks rest. Just going to get back to doing the extension. Going to mark out the footings today. See if you can hear this. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. To say I'm having a bit of a nightmare today is an understatement. This is the 4th time I've tried to record this. First time, microphone didn't work. Second time, microphone didn't work. Third time, the camera was the wrong way. Jesus, I'll get it right in a minute. Right, hang on. So welcome back. Welcome back to extension episode 3, I believe. So what we're doing today, what I'm doing today, is marking out. Not necessarily going to cut anything today, but I'm marking out. So here, you can see me here. I've got a red string line right there, which is 2545 from the wall. 2545 from the wall there, and 150mm from the edge of the wall. That's my footing. 650 wide. It's going to be a metre deep. Okay, so we have got some progress. We have got microphone working. So as I was saying, I'm just marking out. I'm going to mark out. There's no point drawing the lines on there, but I've drawn them over there. I'll show you in a minute. I'm going to mark all this out. So I'll put this on time lapse while I mark it out. So I just finished doing the line painting. I did muck up, I didn't film some of it, but I filmed most of it. So you'll get the gist. I'll take you through what I've done. So 650 there to there, 350 there to there, and that's my footing all the way around. Right the way around to the front door. So that there, that line there will be 150 from there. No, sorry, 150 from there to there, and that'll be my footing. I think I might have boo-booed there. I might have to bring that back 25mm because of that there. So I might have to go 25mm further that way when I cut it. But that's the, you get the gist. That'd be 350 from there to there, and that'll be the wall along there, parallel with that wall. And then that'd be it. That'll be my footing. So when I start digging that out, that'll be the next part of this video. So keep on watching, and that'll be coming soon. So I just did a quick video there showing you me tidying up the crap area that I needed to tidy up, so I can start digging. When I start digging, I'm going to need a way of getting the dirt out and down to the drive, which I'm going to have to put a load of stuff on. Even though I can put my car in it now, I'm not going to be able to anymore, because the car is going to be in the way of where the pile of dirt is going to go. She's going to be right there. where the car's going to be, so I'm going to bung it there on boards. So I need a pathway to drive my wheelbarrow down. I'm going to start here, so I've got to expose that all the way down to the drain that you can now see, and the drain goes in about here. So from there to there it goes right across the footing. So once I've dug that all out, I need to call the building inspector. Hi guys. So today I'm going to be... This one? Yeah. So today I'm going to be cutting out that to get it dug out. That's the first step. Like I told you, not going to mess about. No messing around. So next time you see me, I'm going to be all kitted up, ready to go. So here we go. Right then, ready to go. Got the angle grinder, just going to set it up, then we'll get going. I think I'll put this on time lapse. Most important thing I forgot. Mask. Can you forget that? Right, I don't think you can still hear me. So what I'm going to do is cut these lines. I don't know if I'm going to do it on time lapse because it seems like it's going to be way too long, but I'll see how long it is and then I'll put it in if it's not too long. Alright, so I'm going to crack on. It's hard work, that is. I did have a, they call them Paddy's motorbike, the old petrol grinder, road saw. About to take it back because it weren't mine, so someone asked for it back, so I took it. I'm going to do this bit on here so you can see it, see how hard it is. It's not as easy as it looks on time lapse. So here goes. I pulled it out the wall. Yeah. Right, I decided I'm going to finish this off camera. I'm going to finish it off camera because it's too long-winded. No one's going to want to watch this for me cutting lines, so I'll finish it off camera and show you when I'm done. So probably going to be a bit of a time, so see you in a bit. Okay, so I just realised the video that I just shot didn't record. My microphone power died. So what I was saying was, I've now tied it up. This is all ready to get dug out. I can dig out all this now. Right the way around to there. So I can get it all dug out. So watch this space. That'll be next. Thanks for watching. Morning YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Small that it is, but it's my channel. 90 subscribers.